Hi, my name's Edna Villarreal, and I'm the physician assistant student, and I'm assisting Dr. Mora. Is that okay?
Yes.
And first of all, may I have your first and last name and your date?
Cynthia Mora. My name is Cynthia Mora, and my date of birth is 7/19/56.
Okay, and how can I help you today?
I'm here because I have a cough
Okay.
that I feel has been getting worse.
So your cough has been getting worse. Can you tell me a little bit more about this cough? What are the symptoms?
It's been causing my throat to hurt, and as well as my chest.
So it hurts your chest.
Mhm.
Okay. And how long has this cough been going on?
It's been going on for a week.
And this chest pain that you were telling me about, can you show me like where it hurts the most?
It hurts.
Okay, and a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being mild and 10 being the worst. How about you?
I would say 6. It
It's a
feels like
6?
a lot of pressure.
Okay. Any other symptoms that you're experiencing? Like runny nose, fever, chills?
No, fever, runny nose. I have been experiencing a headache though.
You have a headache? Okay. And what do you think caused it?
One evening I went running, and when I woke up in the morning, I started having a lot of coughing, experiencing a lot of coughing.
And are you still exercising right now?
Yes, I'm still exercising.
Does that make it worse? Is there anything else that you feel?
When I run, I feel it worsens.
Anything that has made it feel better though, like this cough, have you taken anything for it?
I'm not too sure if it's making it feel better, but I am taking Robitussin.
Okay, Robitussin. How many times a day are you taking it?
I'm taking it once a day, and I'm taking spoonful.
A spoonful? Any other medications you're taking aside for this?
No.
Or something else? Any allergies?
No.
Okay. And you said that you don't know if it's helping. You're still taking it. Did you start the Robitussin as soon as you started experiencing the symptoms, or did you?
I took it a day after.
So it doesn't seem to be working very well. Okay. Anybody else sick at home?
No, not that I'm aware of.
Any travel lately?
Any travel as in
Travel, I mean, were you ever, have you gone outside, even Mexico, like going across the border counts as traveling, or, another country?
I went to Progreso last week.
Went to Puerto Rico, so it was around the same time that you got flu, let's say?
Yes.
Okay. So no fever or you already asked, you said no chills,
No.
nothing, just maybe headache, you said?
I do feel that it does. I do feel that it might get better when I'm not running.
Okay, so does resting help? Has it helped?
Yes. When I rest, when I have time to rest. Yes.
Anything else that you noticed that helps except for the resting and the Robitussin? No? Okay. Well, I think I'm having enough history, so I'm gonna summarize what I have to see how I can help you. You let me know if I leave anything out. And so you come with chest pain, and you said that it's been going for about a week, and along with that you've had some headache and some chest pain, right? And a scale from 1 to 10, you say that it's about 6, correct?
Yes.
So you've been still exercising, and you think that makes it worse. Rest has helped, and you're also taking Robitussin for it, but you don't know if that's too much for you. So you also, nobody else at home is sick. You not taking any other medications, no allergies, and you say though that you did go to Progreso recently, and it's around the same time